back to another delicious episode of Shelly's Homemade. And today, guys, we're making buttermilk fried chicken. Yes, buttermilk fried chicken. And for this, we're going to marinate this chicken in some buttermilk for a few hours, guys. So I have some hot sauce here. I have some Shelly's house seasoning, salt, pepper, seasoning, garlic, onion powder, and I had some buttermilk. Alright? So, first thing we're going to do, we're going to get the seasoning in the chicken. Alright? You can get the seasoning all in the chicken. Because I like to season my chicken. Yeah, I want it to have some flavor. So there's a lot of chicken in here. I had some legs, thighs, and wings in here. All the good parts, in my opinion, of the chicken. I have these beautiful thighs. Look at that. I have these beautiful legs, these wings, and everything. So now, going in, get the top off my hot sauce. Get that in there. Louisiana hot sauce, tender, spicy. I like my Frank's, but I have the Louisiana in here, so that's what we're using. Marinate up in my chicken. So we want all the flavors to gel together and get in there and be absolutely delicious. So now, toss it up. Toss it up. Toss it up just like so. Get those flavors mixing in there. Oh goodness, I gotta clean down a pound of daggone pepper. It's alright. You see it, just pour it off. Sometimes you miss stuff when you're cleaning them chickens. And look at that. Absolutely beautiful. Now I'm going to take my gloves off because I don't want to touch the carton like that. I'm going to season the flour too, so if you think it's too much seasoning, that's your problem. I'm shaking up my buttermilk. Get that in there. I'll season it in my pan. Hold on 1 second, I just need to grab some more gloves. Alright, so I got some fresh gloves on. I just want to push this down in here, just so, you know, the marinade will go in there really good. And I'm going to cover this with some aluminum foil, and we're going to let this sit in the refrigerator for a few hours, guys. And just let that buttermilk soak into this chicken. That's what we want. We want this chicken to be delicious. And by the way, I washed it with some salt and get in there. I washed it with some salt and vinegar and scrubbed it up really, really well. Pulled most of the feathers off. And here, just like so. Almost except that one straggler one that just so happened to want to be in there. So I like to just pat my chicken down. Make sure that it's covered in that beautiful, beautiful buttermilk. It gives the chicken a nice tangy flavor. Nice, oh, it's just so delicious. So it's soaking in the buttermilk. When we come back, I'm going to show you how to make the flour mix to fry up that chicken in. Alright guys, I'll see you back in a few. Alright guys, so we are back and our chicken is really marinated up. I'll show you that in a minute. But right now, I'm going to show you how I like to do my flour. Because Shelly's house seasoning doesn't have a lot of salt in it, and flour needs the salt, so I'm going in with 2 tablespoons of salt, some Candace barbecue rub. You can use whatever you want. I like to use this. I'm going in like 3 tablespoons. And the same with the Shelly's house seasoning or your favorite all-purpose seasoning. So this is 3 cups of flour. So we're going in with 3 tablespoons of everything. We want everything to, I want to flavor this chicken really well, guys. And you get in here and you just shake it all in there. And you know it's not seasoned and you can't see it. If you don't see the seasoning, that thing not seasoned. Look at that. I like to get in here and mix it in. So that way it gets all into the bottom. And just shaking that thing. Look at that. There you go. Nice and seasoned. Alright. So when I come back, I'm going to show you guys what that chicken looking like, and we're going to start frying it up. Alright, I'll be back. Alright, so I took it out in half an hour ago and let it just come up to room temperature. Alright. So, what I'm going to do now, grab my flour, push this up, grab my flour, and we're going to go in with those chicken thighs. Those are the ones that I want to fry up first. Just shake, let it drain off, and go in. And I like to make sure that it's floured with no bald spots. Then I'm going to search around. Another guy. Get in there with that, and I like to make sure that it's floured. Alright, go in those and just shake off the extra buttermilk mixture. So a flavorful piece of fried buttermilk chicken. Alright. That looks good. Then we're going to move over to the stove, guys, and bust up some beautiful fried chicken. So let's test the flour. And it's ready. See, it didn't drop to the bottom of my pan. I'm going to go in, I like to go in skin side down. Shake it off. Skin side down. Or maybe I want skin side up. Alright. So I don't want to crowd the pan, so I'm going to do 2 thighs at a time. And when I come back, I'm going to show you guys what to do next. Alright guys, this is the last batch of chicken coming out. Look at it. Absolutely beautiful fried chicken right here. Buttermilk fried chicken. We're going to get this out of the pan. And then we're going to come back to the table. Well, to the counter. And we're going to give this chicken a try and let you guys see how juicy and amazing this chicken is. Oh my goodness. Nice and crispy, delicious fried chicken. Southern style buttermilk fried chicken. Alright guys, so I'll be back and I'll show you the results of buttermilk fried chicken. Alright guys, so I just got out 1 piece fried chicken for you guys. When I cut into it, it's nice, crispy, juicy, beautiful piece fried chicken. Yo, I like to eat my legs with some hot sauce and a slice of bread. But I just wanted to cut it open so you guys could see this chicken. Oh my goodness, it's so hot right now. There's steam coming from it. But it is flavorful. As every bite down to it's hot. Look, y'all see that? Oh yeah. Make it some fried chicken, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And all the measurements are down in the description box of everything that I do. I'm gonna turn this chicken up because it's so unbelievably tasty. It's got flavor for days. Alright guys, I'm gonna get out of here. I love y'all. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Have a wonderful day.